So one thing to kind of keep on the theme here, yesterday, Eric, I don't know if you could pull up Pulte's tweet from yesterday. Ish, I don't know if you have looked into this at all, but just for me to kind of sum it up, Pulte, who's running the FHFA, is been very public on Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac and things like FICO and credit bureaus, et cetera. And he signed this bill, or this, I don't know what to call it, but yesterday to count cryptocurrency as an asset for mortgage. So it's interesting move, and a lot of kind of questions are going to come up out of this. I mean, one of the questions is like, how are they going to account for the volatility in cryptocurrency? But just like, what are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, I think we're definitely seeing like an increased trend of Bitcoin-backed lending. Coinbase recently started offering it through Morphos, a DeFi protocol. Obviously, you have all these corporations now establishing Bitcoin treasury reserves. So it's increasingly being viewed as this reliable capital asset. So should it be recognized as collateral in consideration for people looking to take out mortgages? I think to some extent. But if you have someone who's 100% invested in Bitcoin and they're looking to take out a mortgage at the top of the cycle, I can see how that would go very wrong.
Yeah.
So, there should be a little bit of nuance. I guess they're just looking into it right now. It's nothing concrete.
Well, it's been signed. This, the order has been signed to consider cryptocurrency as an asset for single-family loans delivered to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Okay, so yeah, I guess they're still in kind of conversation with it. But it's interesting too. It doesn't actually say Bitcoin; it just says cryptocurrency. So I wonder what that, what would be other, candidates in terms of if it's not going to be Bitcoin.
Yeah, if
you would think that Bitcoin would be the kind of the bread and butter for something like this, because that's what other loans, like crypto-backed loans, are pretty much all Bitcoin as of right now. Right?
Yeah, it's like you said, it's the bread and butter. It's a little different than the rest of cryptocurrency. It's a lot more stable. It's been around the longest, a lot more battle tested.
And so when, as of right now with these other crypto-backed loans, what value, how are they valuing? Are they doing it based on the present value of Bitcoin at the time of taking out the loan? Or is it taken as an average, or how are they using that? I don't know really what that process looks like.
Yeah, it'll be based Coinbase, for example, it's based on the market value of the Bitcoin. Mm-hmm. So you can take out, I think, a loan to value of 86%. But if the price of your Bitcoin collateral changes too much and that loan to value, falls, below that threshold, or I guess above it, and your loan is too much of what your collateral is, then you're going to get liquidated. So it does vary with the volatility, and that's why it's a risk, especially for something like a mortgage. But yeah, right now it's really just Bitcoin. If you were to take a loan against something like Ethereum, and you have that fluctuating loan to value threshold, it's going to get a lot more dangerous for everyone.
Gotcha. All right, cool.